Getting viewers on Twitch is hard, and getting them to keep coming back is even harder, but there are a couple things you can do to make sure you keep your viewers coming back. I'm Scar4Plays, and I hope you guys enjoy. A thing that I mentioned before is that you're going to want to make sure you have a clean and visually appealing stream. A big thanks to the sponsor of today's video, Own.tv, because they help you do just that. Own.tv is a group of people that make incredible and unique stream overlays so you can focus on being a streamer and not a graphic designer. They have plenty of options for facecam overlays, including animated overlays that add cool effects to your facecam border. In addition to that, they have got bundles that come with multiple facecam borders so you can choose a style that fits you best. Own.tv also has alerts, transitions, sub-badges, emotes, and different scenes for your stream. You can pick up these all in a group package or individually, depending on what you need. If you would like to help me as a content creator and get some awesome stream overlays in the process, link is in the description to get yours today. The first tip I have for you is how to retain viewers during a stream so that the viewers come to your stream and they want to stay. And the best way to do this is just to simply read their chat messages, but not only read it, but like create a whole conversation around it so that other viewers and themselves will be engaged with what you're talking about and will hopefully chat even more and stay in the stream longer. If you guys would want to chat with me, see some Rubik's Cubes, see some magic, twitch.tv/Scar4Plays, link is in the description. The next few tips I'm going to be talking about is how to get viewers to keep coming back to your stream once they've already been there once or twice. And an easy way to do this is to play with your viewers occasionally. Don't do this every single stream because then eventually viewers will only come to your stream to play with you. But playing with viewers allows you to actually talk to your community and just have fun with them, meaning they'll want to come back even more. Now, I'm not saying that this works like 100% of the time, but you know, it does help establish a little bit more of a connection. And a fun fact is that there was a guy that I played with for the first time after a couple weeks of starting a stream, and he donated me $3 after playing a Fortnite game with him, and I think we actually won the game. And a cool thing is that he still comes to my streams a year later. Now, I'm not saying you should do this for money, but the connection thing with your viewers when you play with them is real, and you're going to want to do this at least a few times a month. Okay, and one just tip as how to grow as a streamer is don't stream for a long time every single day. Instead, focus on making other YouTube videos and content creation outside of Twitch, which we'll actually get into a little bit later in this video. But one cool thing is that when you're not streaming, you can create a Discord, which I like to think of it as a big group chat for anyone that comes to my stream, so that when they join and you're not streaming, you can just chat, send memes, and just have a fun little experience, like a big group chat with your viewers, even though you're not streaming, because you might be doing something else, like you're at a baseball game and you're just chatting, you know, in between innings, or you're doing something else, you're away from your desk at home streaming, but you can still talk with them and have a fun time with them in a group chat like Discord. The fourth topic is giveaways. While you don't want to do giveaways to get more people coming to your stream, because normally they'll just leave, giveaways can be a great way to say thank you to the viewers that you do have and do support you. Now, if this is not possible, that's totally fine, but if you do have a little money to spare, just an occasional giveaway a few times a year would be a great way just to spice things up a little bit and get your community excited for you and your streams. Now for the fifth topic. Content creation. Imagine you were a YouTuber with 10,000 subscribers and you had an average of maybe 500 to 2,000 views a video, and those people really enjoyed your videos, and then you started promoting your Twitch channel, and then all those people that love watching your YouTube videos go over to your Twitch. That is the best way to not only grow, but to keep your viewers too. Especially if you don't have 10,000 subscribers, what you can do is you can take the people that come to your Twitch and you can get more people to come to your Twitch by making YouTube videos. And the people that are already at your Twitch watching you stream, when you're not streaming and you post a YouTube video one day, they can watch that and it'll be something different about that. Instead of just the live stream part, you'll maybe edit it up and make it a little bit more action-like, and it will get people just like liking your content and making you want to see that live on Twitch as well. And that's one of the best ways to grow and to keep viewers excited about you and your stream. If you guys enjoyed today's video and you guys like to support me, leave a like, subscribe, and check me out on Twitch, twitch.tv/Scar4Plays. I hope you guys have an incredible day, and thank you guys so much for watching.
Stop. Stop. I hate the fact.
One enemy remaining.
Oh!